Hi there, this is the Dream Sky portable radio. Let's see what else. Very quickly, it works pretty well. There's a USB I just tested out. They do work. You have the dimmer, works. You have the radio, you just gotta press that one. A lot of people said the radio reception isn't good. Well, it's because you do have a portable antenna right over here. As you can see, it's right there. You have to stick that up like the old days. You have the tuner, of course. You have your volume up, down. You have the snooze button right here if you want to turn it off at a certain amount, it will shut off. You have the alarm, you have time set, very easy. You get the time set, minute, the hours, 12 for military, alarm set if you want to do it. So that's about it. Overall, it's pretty good. DC-5 powered, and there's a battery backup in case you need it. So that's about it. It's pretty good. Like I said, it's not an everyday use maybe, but you know, for someone else. But if you just simply want it for something average, it's pretty good.
Today's 101.1
And there is Madonna right now. That's it.